Hi, welcome to Awan Auto. This is 2008 Honda CRV. I'm going to replace to the shock assembly, strut assembly. To do that, first of all, you need to open the hood. After that, I need to take the windshield wiper. These are 17mm, both sides. One in here, one in here. Just loosen up and take the warm arm up. After that, this is right there. From here, just pry this, pry little by little. Something will come out little by little. Just come out. Take this piece off. Take this way on the side. You can split in here. There's a three plastic clip in here, right there, and just take those two, and you can split it. This one, this come out. The windshield water line, put the connection back, just push it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The 5 bolt, we need to take it off, as well as this side. 5 bolt, need to take it off. After that, we need to take this nut off, and there's a 12mm was test here. Let's take this off. Then there's a sensor connection right there. Just push it like this. It came out. I mean rubber grommet. Just pull it. Just came out. Then we need to lose this tie rod. So these are 22mm. This one is 19, just holding. Like a power tool, use the power tool. It's better, the heavy one. 22. And if you don't have this, just put like this. Hold one side and tap with a hammer. Like a big hammer. Something like this. You see this? Something like this, just hit it. And it will come out. This is 19mm for the tie rod. You need to take it off. See, this is a T40. Just hold in here like this. With T40, just hammer it right here, just little by little, just the hammer like this. This is really, sometimes you need to hit it. Most of the time you need to hit it up in this, so it's not easy really to come out. If you have one of the long breaker bar, just put 22mm in here and hold. This is 19, and just put it like this. Loosen up now. Just loosen up. See that? Right. Let's try the other one. Go. Loosening. You can loosen like this, but I'm gonna use the gun. just leave it for now. So after that I have to open this. I need to open this. Now I'm gonna open this 90mm. There's a one cotter pin, so we need to take the cotter pin out. See this cotter pin? Just pull this cotter pin right there. I'm gonna replace that. After that, this is 19mm. Just loosen up. After that, just tap with the hammer right in here. See, after you tap a couple times, just loosen up. See that? And I can move anywhere I need. This one, see that? So I have to heat it up. This not really open easily. So if you have a torch like this, it will be more easy to open. But if you don't have, don't worry, you can still open it, but take little time. But if you don't have a torch, you can heat it up with the hair dryer too. Yeah, after I heat it up, it's really open very easily. See this? This without heating it up, it's very tough to open. There you go. It's done. Just leave it on the side like this. After that, we need to put something underneath to support this. When I take this bowl out, this whole thing will be fall down. It's not gonna really fall down because there's a, you see this control arm attached already with this, so it's still better for the safety. Just put something underneath when you open that. See, this thing is separate now. Just pull it and it went down a little bit, not much. The only thing we need to do now from the top, there's a bowl, 5 bowl. We need to loosen it up like this bowl. This bowl I'm gonna loosen out. 14mm bowl. Take all bowl out. Came out like this. Let's pull it outside. Like if you buy from the aftermarket shocks, sometimes this bowl I had it happen so many times. This is aftermarket. This is the legacy. This is the original one. There's a cap right there. You can put it back. This cap. See, make sure this is tight. So try one more time with the. Sometimes it's loose. See, this one is perfect match. The long one, see, long this side. Short one, short other side. So somebody just push it in the shocks in here. So match the hole like a hole. Just tight the bowl on the top, the fits. After you tie all this bowl, don't worry about this position. It's just like you see it on the other side. You can really move anywhere you want after you tie the bowl on the top. See this, it's coming this way. So, if you have a float jack, just put underneath and push up little by little, and eventually it will go inside the hole, inside the group. So you can tie it up 2 bowl to 22mm. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.